Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before you begin, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're looking at the hairsense secret collection, lace Gladis FS 427 is the color, and it's a pretty good length, but it's not too long. There's the washing instructions for the wig. Make sure you follow these instructions, guys. Also, we have the wig here. I kind of wanted to do a voiceover so I can, explain everything. There are the two combs there. They have 3 combs on the inside. They have lace. The lace, I'll talk about that in a minute, but that's the comb in the back that I just pointed to. And I believe it's like big head friendly. So, and they also have the straps to go with it. And the part, I feel like I didn't need to pluck it, but that lace is kind of scratchy though. That's that hard lace. It's not soft at all. So I just want to warn you guys. Let's see what's next. The part, I feel like it was perfect for me. I mean, some of you guys like it to be a little wider than that, but me, sometimes I like it a little tiny bit wider, but this one was perfect. I don't want to change it. I don't want to adjust it. I love it like that. And in the video, I did not put concealer in it, but you have the choice to put that in there or not. But it didn't really, it blends right in with my hair. I love this wig, guys. The color is amazing on this wig. And I kind of want to give you guys a look of it on my head. This is how it looks, and I'm sure you guys saw the lookbook at the beginning of this video. I hope you guys you need to go buy this wig. I bought this wig for $29 on sale at my beauty supply store. So guys, go check it out. This wig, I want to show you guys the back on how it looks. It looks so perfect in the front. And the hair is so soft. Oh my gosh. But here I am showing you guys the part close up in the front. I did not glue this wig down. I just placed it on my head. I'm trying not to glue anything on the front. I'm trying to save my edges, but this is how it looks in the back. Oh, you guys, look at those waves. I love this. This is beautiful. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get more wig reviews. Bye-bye, guys.